Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut corners, and it's going to be a very helpful tutorial, so check it out. So one of the things that I struggled with when I started doing the car sketches was that my cars looked like they were made in the 70s. They all looked like super boxy. It's a lot of like really square edges on it. And I figured out a way to make them rounder. And also just this little secret is gonna help you so much. So just check it out. So you put the wheels to get your proportion. If you haven't seen my videos, check them out. And then you draw like a box. So the problem with the box is that you get like a very square front. So you want to eliminate this front corner of the box, almost like if you just have the outside outline of your car. So here I'm using the headlight to make that corner. Let me show you how that looks without the underlaying box. So you see how automatically my car starts to look a little more round, right? So now we still have those rough edges on the front, top, and on the back. So we need to get rid of that box. So that way our car starts to look a lot more organic. So I'm gonna draw it again, trying to round up those boxes. And you can see how I'm cutting those corners with my pencil. And then if I re-sketch this same drawing, but getting rid of those corner lines that I have on the edges, you will see how this sketch starts to come a lot more alive. You see how we start with a very box. So now, like you see, I do the outside of it, and then by putting the headlight and putting like the details on the front, it starts to get rounder and rounder to the point that it gets more organic. Now I'm just gonna add a lot of detail to it, all the cut lines and stuff that we talked in previous videos, and you can see the big difference, right? So what I find myself doing is doing the box but without the front corner of it. And then I draw my car, and then I use the headlight to help me mark that corner, and then I can round off the rest of the car, and this is the results. So I think this is a very helpful hint that I can give you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. I hope this helps you get some of your shapes to get a lot more organic. Also, I want you to check out some of these videos that my friend made. He went to art center with me. We went to car design school together. He has his own design studio. His name is Hector Realbit, and he makes also some really cool YouTube videos. So check it out, and you'll get to see a little bit of the insights of what we did at the New York Auto Show, which was a lot of fun. See you next week. I'm going back to the weekly. I promise this time. I know I've said it before, but I'm really gonna work hard at it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Friday.